Hey everyone, Christina here. Do you have some seed packets laying around and you're wondering, are these seeds still any good? Maybe I should just throw them away and go buy some new ones? Well, today's video is for you. I am going to show you a really easy way to test your older seeds to see if they're still viable. Come on, let me show you. All you need for this easy project is your seeds, some kind of marking pen, I'm using a Sharpie, Ziploc style baggies, a spray bottle, and some paper towels. To begin, just lay a piece of paper towel on your countertop and spritz it with water. You don't want it to be overly saturated and soggy, but you do want it fairly wet. Once you've sprayed it, just fold it in half. Grab your seeds. These are some old kale seeds I've had laying around. And you're just gonna put maybe 4, 5 seeds on top of the towel. Then roll the towel. And stick it inside your baggie. Seal off the baggie. Doesn't really matter how much air is in there. And then write what is on there. So I'm gonna put kale. And then, because it's gonna help me later on, I am going to look on the seed packet and find how many days to germination. And this one says 5 to 17 days. I'm gonna write 5 to 17 on there. Lay down the paper towel, spritz it. Fold it in half. These are some scallions I'm gonna try testing. About 4 or 5 seeds on there. Ooh, got more than that, but that's okay. Roll it up. And stick it in your baggie. Seal. And then write what it is. This seed packet says the days to germination are 6 to 16. So I'm going to write that on there too. This is patty pan squash. Oops, forgot to fold it in half. Five to 10 days. Okay, now you just take your baggies and you put them in a warm location. They don't need to be in direct sunlight, they just need some warmth. On top of the refrigerator is a really great choice for these. And in about 5 or 6 days, I'll come back and I'll show you the rest. It is now 6 days later, and most of the seeds I'm testing today are supposed to germinate between 5 and 6 days. That's the shortest time span they might sprout. So now's a good time to check and see how they're doing. This is the patty pan squash. Oh, right away, I see a root. That's an excellent sign. Ah, yes, they're doing really well. Look at that. Squash are amazing. Look at that big, long, beautiful root already. So all but this one have sprouted. So these seeds are definitely good to go into the garden. Don't worry if there's one or two that aren't sprouted yet. Remember, you're testing this on the very first day that they might sprout. And you're just looking to see that most of the seeds are good, really. So I'm gonna put these back. And now I'm gonna look at the kale seeds. Yes, there we go. Can you see? Some of them have sprouted and some have little tiny tails you might not be able to see yet. And these two haven't yet, but I'm not worried about that. These are doing fantastic. So these seeds are also still good. I can use them in my garden. Finally, I've got my scallion seeds. None of those have sprouted yet. Now, I'm not super worried about that at this point because I wrote on my bag that the days to germination are 6 to 16 days, and it's only been 6 days. So what I'm gonna do is put these seeds back in the bag, stick them back on top of my fridge, and maybe after 10 days have passed, I'll check again, and if I need to, I'll wait until day 16 to check. Now it is true that onion seeds generally don't last as long as many other types of seeds, but we're gonna give them the full benefit of the doubt here. And so you can see this is a super easy way to find out if you need to throw away old seeds or you can use them in the garden. Once they've sprouted in these little mini greenhouses you're making for them, you know they're good. If you like the video, I hope you'll subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.